Hey everybody, it is Monday, March 30th. We are just cruising right along with this online learning. Y'all are doing awesome. I'm really proud of those of you who did the retake on the test. Great scores from that one. I think that platform was easier. You guys are familiar with Schoology and the Google form test. There were some difficult questions in there. So please, please, please get on and do that retake. I'm putting the highest score. If you get 100, that 100 is going in the grade book, okay? So please get on and do that. It's still available. Everything is available. If you redo something, just drop us an email. Let us know, hey, I redid this and submitted it again, and we'll get in there, okay? Obviously, with 103 students, it's hard for us to know when there's a new update or a new submission. There's a lot to keep up with anyway. So if you shoot us an email and let us know that you redid something, I don't care what it is that you redo. If you're willing to put in the work and redo something that you did not score well on, let us know that you redid it, and we'll be happy to grade it again and put that grade in the grade book, okay? A lot of emails lately from parents saying that their kids are not reading the story. Everything we're doing is a novel study. It's based on the novel, Fever 1793. If you're not reading this book, you're not going to do well on the assignments. There's no way around that, okay? I realize that we are not reading it together, but Miss Anderson's readings are in there. You can listen to her read it. We're going to start discussing it tomorrow during our Google Meet. That information will be in tomorrow's assignment. So we'll be able to get on and discuss it, and if you have questions at that time, you can ask them. But if you're not reading it, you're not going to be able to even participate in the discussions. So you need to get on that, okay? And again, if you want to redo something, I would love for you to do that, all right? For today, Monday the 30th, you're reading chapter 13. There is no assignment that needs to go along with it, so that gives you time to look back at previous assignments and redo any of those if you choose to do so, okay? Grades are in the grade book. You have 3 formatives and 1 summative in the grade book. Please jump over to PowerSchool. Check those grades. Let's get some of those improved. So redo some things and let's get those up, okay? Otherwise, I will chat with you tomorrow morning and certainly tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock on the Google Meet. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.